Have you ever slept 8 full hours, done almost nothing all day, yet still wake up exhausted? You start to wonder if something's wrong with you. Maybe you're lazy, maybe you've lost all motivation. But the truth is far deeper. You're not actually tired, you're dopamine fried. We expect sleep to fix everything, to magically refresh our minds. But even after resting, your brain still feels foggy and heavy. Why? Because while your body may be asleep, your mind never truly shuts off. You've been drowning in an endless sea of stimulation, reels, stories, shorts. Every scroll delivers a cheap dopamine hit, and every hit leaves your mind a little more numb than before. Here's what's really happening. Dopamine isn't just about pleasure, it's actually your brain's fuel for motivation. But when you constantly overstimulate it, your brain stops responding the way it should. You lose excitement. You lose drive. You lose mental clarity. That's why even the simplest tasks start to feel overwhelming. That's why silence becomes uncomfortable and scary. And that's why you feel tired, even on days when you've barely done anything. Studies from Stanford and Harvard reveal that this constant overstimulation leads to cognitive fatigue. Your memory slips. Your focus weakens. Mental exhaustion quietly becomes your baseline, your new normal. The truth is, you don't need more sleep. What you actually need is to detox your mind. Here's how you start to recover. Step 1. Give yourself 1 hour each day with absolutely no stimulation. No phone, no noise, just silence. Step 2. Train your brain with boredom. Sit still. Let your thoughts wander and settle on their own. Step 3. Begin each morning with friction. Do one difficult thing before you even touch your phone. It could be push-ups, journaling, or a cold shower. You're not weak. You're not broken. Your mind has simply been hijacked. But if you take it back, you'll finally feel alive again. Because you thought you needed sleep, but what you really needed was peace.